about this. Anyway. Here we go. So technically, I'm just going to be talking about the bird. Baba, stop. Bad boy. Bad boy. He does not like this at all. And I know you're new here, so be sure to like and subscribe, but you're fine. Okay, you're fine. And technically, Cyan. This Cyan, and I'm Lily. Cyan! Come here! Here, get on my pointer finger. Get it. Let's. You're now getting on my. What? Stop. Cyan. Cyan. Good. Good boy. Good boy. Good baby bird. Good boy birds. Get on there. Get on here. Okay, Alex, he's trying to fly away because he doesn't want to be here. By the way, I'm 6 and I'm Lily. And since you're new to this channel, make sure to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and comment. So technically, Cyan is a bird. He does not want to be here. So that's why I kept trying to get him, because he kept flying away. He's super tiny, so you probably can't see him crawling to the ground. So,
what does he like to eat?
He likes to eat these little fruit thingies.
Look
that
like
we
fruity
got
pebbles.
in this cage right over here.
Mm-hmm.
So let's go show them.
No, that's okay.